I'm Carson Sweezy, and I nourish people. So, like, to me, the food is like just the vehicle, you know? But really, you're nourishing people. The food is like a part of the nourishment, but so is the conversation and the connection and just realizing, like, we're all humans, we all need to do this thing. Being able to create a life, that's crazy, you know? Like, women have the capability of creating a life, and to feed people, that's the next thing in my book, is like being able to sustain life. For me, nourishing gives me energy. So it's not like motivation, it's more like I gotta do this to nourish myself. I need to nourish and like find out ways to feed people and bring people together and have conversations and be intentional about it. That's what keeps me going, is doing it. That's what nourishment is. It's like the intention and the thought, doing it for other people and bringing other people closer to you, you know? It doesn't have to be crazy. It could just be handing them a bag of chips.